Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today as usual we have brought you another tutorial video, and in this video I will simply be showing you how you can simply go ahead and fix your Snapchat login error in your iPhone. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we'll simply step into our video. What you gotta do is first of all make sure that if your app is updated or not. So to do so, first of all you will simply go to your app store of your iPhone. Go ahead to the search bar, type in Snapchat. Here you can see it says open instead of update. So if your app is not updated, you gotta update the app. Simply go ahead, tap on this update option and simply update your app. Update is really important for your app to function pretty well. If it's still not working out, then what you gotta do is simply go to your mobile's settings. You will go to this option called general over here. Go to this iPhone storage, go ahead, find your Snapchat app, and then you will be able to find this offload app, right? Sometimes because your app holds unnecessary storage which is actually not needed, and that can actually make your app work a little slow and lag. So what you can do is simply go ahead, tap on this offload app, tap on this offload app again as a confirmation, and it will offload your app. It won't delete any of data from your app, so you don't have to worry. And then you will again go back and try to log into your Snapchat right there. So I'm sure one of the solution will definitely work out for you guys, and make sure to try all of them, and yes, this will simply solve your problem right there. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time.